Hello friends, welcome to the part 1 of making a ninja jump game in Scratch. In this part we will make some custom costumes and sprites for the project. First of all, let's decrease the size of the cat sprite to 75%. Now let's make our own sprite that will represent two buildings. Let's select a rectangle shape. Now choose the fill color to orange for the first building. And make the border color transparent. Now let's draw our rectangular shape from the top of the canvas. Now let's move the rectangle toward the lower half of the canvas. Now let's copy the rectangle. You can use the shortcut key Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V to paste. And join the rectangles as shown in the video. Now let's paste another rectangle on the other side and choose a sky blue color which represents another building. Repeat the process as shown in the video. Let's select all the shapes and place them on the center. Now let's make the doors and windows of the buildings. For that, let's again select the rectangle shape and use an appropriate color. We will select a gray color. Now make small rectangles within the buildings as shown in the video. Now let's name this sprite building. Now let's move the building sprite on the center of the stage. Let's go to Event menu and drag the When Green Flag Clicked block. Let's go to Motion menu and drag the Go to XY block below the When Green Flag Clicked block, so that when the sprite always starts from its initial position when starting the game. Now let's click on the cat sprite and add some more costumes to it. Right now we have only two default costumes. Let's duplicate the first costume. Drag the duplicate costume on the third position. Again, duplicate the second costume and drag it on the fourth position. Now on the third costume, select the pointer icon and select the whole sprite and turn sideways as shown in the video. Now on the fourth costume, select the pointer icon and select the whole sprite and turn sideways again as shown in the video. If we change these costume back and forth, it looks like the cat is running upwards on the building's surface. Now let's duplicate these two new costumes again and drag them downwards. Now let's select these new costumes and flip them horizontally using the Flip Horizontal button as shown in the video. Costumes for creating the running animation on both buildings are complete. Now let's make more for jumping animation. For that, let's duplicate the costume at the bottom. Now let's rotate the cat little bit as shown in the video. Let's duplicate this latest costume again. Now rotate it more as shown in the video. Duplicate the latest costume once again and rotate it once again as shown at the video. And this is it. These their latest costumes will be used to create the jumping animation across the buildings. Thank you friends, and see you in the next part for making the actual running and jumping mechanism.